We are pleased to show you the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.